Good day guys, my name is Jeremy A. Anib Jr. from BCED Mathematics, and for today's video we're going to discuss the importance of integrating ICT in learning mathematics. So for this video we have one learning outcomes. At the end of this video you will learn the importance of integrating ICT in learning mathematics. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click that notification bell in order for you to be notified when I have a new video. So thank you, let's go! Presentation, we will discuss the significance of integrating ICT, or the information and communication technology, in learning mathematics. ICT tools in learning mathematics provide students with the opportunity to explore multiple solutions to a given problem. ICT tools allow students to experiment with different methods and approaches, leading to a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts. The visual and interactive elements of ICT tools help students visualize and manipulate abstract concepts, making them more accessible and understandable. By providing students with immediate feedback and correction, ICT tools help to improve their problem-solving skills and build their confidence. This in turn enhances student motivation and engagement, leading to better learning outcomes. The integration of ICT into math lessons provides an engaging and interactive experience for students. ICT tools enable students to visualize and manipulate abstract concepts, leading to a deeper understanding of mathematical principles. Moreover, the use of ICT tools helps students develop their confidence in tackling difficult tasks, leading to improved problem-solving skills by providing personalized learning opportunities. ICT tools enable teachers to tailor their lesson to each student's needs, providing a more inclusive and accessible learning experience. Finally, ICT tools allow teachers to share resources quickly and easily, leading to more efficient and effective teaching practices. All of these benefits ultimately help to equip students with a better understanding of the material and prepare them for the future academic and real-world challenges. The integration of ICT in math enhances learning outcomes by providing engaging and intuitive learning experiences. With the use of ICT tools, students become more creative, self-directed, and critical in their problem-solving skills. Moreover, teachers can provide real-time feedback, personalized learning, important data collection, and remote access to resources anytime, anywhere. This level of flexibility empowers students to self-regulate their learning, choose their own learning paths, and develop a sense of ownership and value in math. Ultimately, the integration of ICT tools in math education enhances student achievement and helps to prepare them for future academic and real-world challenges. The integration of ICT in mathematics provides teachers with a unique opportunity to teach complex mathematical concepts in an interactive and engaging way. With the use of multimedia elements and animations, students can visualize abstract concepts and develop a deeper understanding of the materials being taught. Moreover, ICT tools such as virtual manipulatives, calculators, and games enable students to practice their skills and reinforce their knowledge of the subject matter. By providing interactive and engaging learning experiences, students are more motivated to learn and develop a love for mathematics. Ultimately, the use of ICT tools in mathematics educations help to prepare students for future academic and real-world challenges, where the ability to apply mathematical skills is essential. So I do hope that you have something learned in our video about the importance of integrating ICT in learning mathematics, or the benefits of ICT in learning mathematics. Thank you.